Hey there, YouTubers! Welcome to 2021 MOV Orchard and Vine tractor reviews. Well, not much has changed in the world of tractors. Just not a whole lot going on in the tractor industry, but we have a few tractors that we're going to review. And the first one we're going to be talking about is the Antonio Carraro. One of my favorites. I'll turn down the music down here a bit. Now this is one of my favorites. It's a narrow tractor, and it can be used for many different applications. For orchard, vineyard, for orchard, high density orchard, high density vineyard. It's low, has low center of gravity. It's good for tight plantings of orchard vineyards. Even for other tree crops, growing cedar trees and other kind of tree productions. It's very narrow, a very, very narrow tractor, and it's probably one of my favorites. So it articulates in the center. It also steers on the front too. These tractors can be adapted with many different attachments, and we'll start talking about it now. So this one here you see in front of you is called an SN5800V Major. It is a 50 horsepower. It has a, well, of course, it's PTO 540. PTO has a 40-liter fuel tank. Transmission is a 12x12 synchronized reverser, so you can go 12 speeds in reverse and 12 speeds in forward, and it's synchronized. And it is the steering is hydraulic steering with 2 pistons. Could be an improvement over the last one. Brakes are hydraulic rear, and they're oil bath. Wheelbase is 1530 millimeters, or 60.2 inches. The width, minimum width is 98 centimeters, or 39 inches. Weight is 1,600 kilograms, or 3,527 pounds. It's 4-wheel drive, and if you have any interest in this tractor, you can check out Antonio Carraro website. So it's a good tractor for tight spaces, and I really recommend it. And it's just something, it's one of those tractors that if you need it, find a dealer and bring it into your place. It's a nice little tractor. So, all right, that's my recommendation. Stay tuned for more videos, and please check out my reviews. Remember to comment, subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.